So this is the first time I've ever done this. We're going to be going to RunwayML.com, and let's just go ahead and try Runway for free. Now there's a lot of different videos of people using this green screen app. I typically use Ultra Key or After Effects for all the green screen work that we do. But if we open up Premiere Pro, you can see that, we're just working on some general tutorials, and I think it would be cool if I could have a layer of this that was just 100% green screen. So we're going to click sign up with Google, and let's just go select the Google account. All right, we're in. It looks like the free plan, we get 125 credits, 3 video projects. Let's go for it. We will try it for free. All right, let's come up, click create new project, and there we go. It ain't that hard, guys. Let's click on that. So we're just going to drag and drop the video that we want to use straight into RunwayML. And you can see in the top left here, it's uploading. All right, so this video of me uploaded, I'm going to drag and drop this down into the timeline. All right, so first things first, it says click on any area to start masking. So let's just do that. I'm going to mask this dude's face right here. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, I think we can get the microphone in here too. That part of my shirt. All right, and then we can click this preview button. So we can kind of watch it back. Pause. And when you're done, let's just go ahead and click done masking. All right, looks like there's some different effects here in the bottom right. So when you're done masking, you can add effects, blur the background, replace the background. Yeah, so I mean, it's pretty good. And this is a tricky one because I have headphones on. There's space in between the microphone. But that looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and export this. In order to export in 4K, it wants 144 bucks. That's horrible. It's a shame. Or we could do 15, build monthly. All right, 4K and green screen alpha matte exports. We'll do it just for this video. Let's spend 15 bucks. I even brought my wallet to the office today. If you spend money, I recommend using business credit card. Cashback, baby, cashback. All right, so what happens here? Let's click export 4K. Let's do this. Format PNG. We could go with that. All right, it says export submitted, so I'm going to click on it. I would say overall this is extremely easy. I think anybody could do this. I think it's an easy upload. The main thing that I foresee being the challenge is if you're doing it for a long video, the upload speeds. But most people have fast Wi-Fi, so that shouldn't be a problem. All right, let's just finish exporting. There is a little button in the top right corner that says go to export. So I want to click on that. Here I can see the export. Let's go ahead and click on these 3 little dots, see if I can download it. I can. We can select the folder where we want to download our video. Total file size, 176 megabytes. It's going to download that. I can bring that exported green screen video into Premiere. And now we can come to the effects control panel, grab the Ultra Key effect, drop it on there, select the key color as that green background. Super awesome. We can just turn any random video that we're recording into a green screen and then, create tutorials, do whatever the hell you want with that. But hopefully this was helpful. I recommend it. Went ahead, paid for it, and we'll be using it in more videos moving forward.